We are so proud and honored to be a part of this build and to have Seth and Ryan here in the booth.
You know, I've just got to thank Ryan and the entire team from the Blaney Foundation for commissioning us to build this. This is powered by a Harrop supercharger on top of a Ford Performance Coyote 5-liter engine. We now use the Eaton technology in every one of our Broncos. Every vehicle comes standard with the Detroit True Track rear differential.
You know, the reason why we wanted to do this Bronco and why it's called the Ryan Blaney Family Foundation and why we work with the Alzheimer's Association is my grandfather had it really bad. My grandfather owned a lumber yard, and that's how he made money to go race. And so I thought it was really neat we were able to put some of that in there because it reminds me of him growing up and how he kind of made a living back in the day and how it allowed him and my father to go race. I cannot wait to go out to Barrett-Jackson in January. And for a great cause and anything we can do to raise awareness and funds to help this deal out. But like I said, thank you guys for coming out and learning more about it.